Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So actually all we have to do is simply enter the settings and find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on show your data here, and as you can see we've got the full graph of how much time we've spent on the screen. Today we've been using this device for almost 2.5 hours, and here we've got also the graph for how long particular apps were opened and for how long we've been using them. If you want to, you can tap on particular app and you will be transferred to another graph which will show you the week, for how long you've been using it for in the whole week. So today, for example, we've been using the settings for 28 minutes. What's more, we can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. We can choose daily right now or hourly. We can also manage notifications, and here you've got also the unlock counts and the total number of notifications we've received today. Under it we've got ways to disconnect, so we can, for example, set bedtime mode or focus mode, and then after entering here you will be able to tap on those apps which you would like to limit, and thanks to this your device will just limit their activeness, and you won't receive any notifications from them in particular hours. Here you've got also reduce interruptions, so you can manage notifications and manage do not disturb mode. Here you've got also the option to show icon in the app list, and you can set up parental control if you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to check the total screen time in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.